And where the rubber meets the road on harvest day is the scalding scrape. So it doth need to be hairless.
Yeah.
Please. And it's, it is no small amount of work. In fact, the hardest part to dehair on a pig is its head because of all of the angles and the luxurious fat folds under their jowl that exclude the scalding water and are tricky. So when I get a pig's head, unless it's a summer pig, usually the pigs, if you're not harvesting in the fall or winter, they're not molting. So they're very easy to scald and scrape, and you'll get a clean head, no problem that way. But when it comes to Christmas time, it's possible for them to be harder if you catch them while they're molting and growing a new coat. And so when I am scalding and scraping a pig and I know I'm going to roast its head, I also torch off any remaining hairs. So you would do your utmost on the first pass of the head by getting your temperature and duration perfect, 145 degrees Fahrenheit, checking every 90 seconds, and then scraping off every hair, focusing particularly on the epidermal layer, the pigmented layer. You want that to come off. And if bristles remain, that's okay. Just get that epidermal layer off, and then shave all the bristles off with your hyper sharp knife. And only then would you torch, because if you torch it when the head is still full of bristle, there's a chance that it will have a sooty, burnt hair essence to it, aroma about it. And that's a little off-putting. I actually kind of think it's kind of nice, but it's different. And serving a pig's head is stretch enough for most people. So get it real clean with the knife first, then torch the ones that you just absolutely can't reach with your knife. And then it's not enough just to torch. You have to rub off the soot. You have to get it off of there. And the best thing for that is a Scotch-Brite sponge, the gray side, the rough, coarse side. Okay. That is the tool for that. It just works beautifully. And you can even remove the shadow of a black pig's epidermis or scurf that remains after a good scald and scrape with the Scotch-Brite sponge. So you can make them like gleaming white. It's like polishing. And that will remove all the sooty burnt hair follicles. And then you have a pig head that is ready to roast. Okay. And leave the jowls on. Also. Yes. Okay. So this does sacrifice the guanciale. This is and it's a worthy cause. That's the magnanimity of it. Is you keeping those cheeks on. Yeah, it's luxurious. The thrifty thing to do would be to take them off and cure them, because then you'll eat smaller amounts over a longer period of time. Or you can just go all out and eat the whole head in one meal. And that's why it's so luxurious. It's such a gesture of abundance. Literally magnanimous, large-headed, large-minded. There you go. So, yeah, get it clean.